We'll guide you through how to recover your Roblox account without your email or password. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So this can be really annoying because then you can't go and access your Roblox account and you've got loads of friends on there, you've got Robux amongst other things. So we'll guide you through how you can go and get it back and get playing again. Make sure it's just full videos so you know what to do step by step. So here we are on the Roblox app. You can do this on the app or a computer, it doesn't matter. So you want to come down to the middle at the bottom and go and press sign in. Now you're up to this page here. So at the top, you can enter in your user, email or phone number. In this case, go and use your username. I find that to be easiest. So go and type it in and make sure you use your username, not your display name. They're different things. Then what you can do is go and press next. At the top, it should go and show your Roblox icon, which is correct. Now, what you can do is it's asking for your password, but of course you can't remember it. So what you can do is go below the next button and they should see forgot your password, which you can then tap on. Now we can start the account recovery, but it's asking for your email, which you don't have. If you have access to a billing email, you could try using that, but it's unlikely you do. So what you can do is go and press use phone instead at the bottom. So you can go and use your phone number instead. So you can only do this if you linked your account. We have got another method after this, so do keep watching if this doesn't work though. And so it would have been likely you entered a phone number because to go and access features like voice chat, it's likely you may have added a phone number in the process of that. So it's worth trying this. So now we can go and enter in our phone number here. We can then press next at the bottom. Now we need to go and wait for the code to go and be sent. Go and enter it in and now we can go and choose the new password. So we can go and tap here, make sure it's strong and you can easily go and remember it for yourself. Press update password at the bottom with it entered and then what you can do is go and sign in here with it. Press next and we're now back into our Roblox account. Now if this option didn't work for you, what you can do is come out of Roblox and what you need to do is go and open up a web browser like so. Now you want to come onto the address bar. Type in roblox.com/support like so, and then you can go here. Go and wait for this to load, and now what we can do is go and start with getting in contact with their support team. So go and enter in your birthday. After you've done that, you want to go and press continue. Now go and enter in your username so they can go and locate your account. After you've done that, we've got the option to go and add in your first name, which you don't have to do, that's optional. Make sure you enter in your email address here, which they can go and contact you on because it's likely they'll need to get in contact. So make sure you can go and access it. So I'll go and add that in now. Then what you can do is you can go and choose the device having the problem on. In this case, it's my iPhone. And for the help category, you can select account hacked or can't log in. Then for the help category, you can go and find the option for forgot password, like so. Now you can go and enter in the details saying that you don't have access to your email and that you don't have another linked phone number or something like that. Now, what's likely going to happen is during this process is they're going to ask for proof. So make sure you've got proof, things like receipts from when you bought Robux, amongst other things as well. So I'll guide you through the process. And this is a last resort, but hopefully you'll be able to go and get it back. If you found this useful or want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.